Hello friends, welcome back to this channel. So friends, in this video I'm going to teach you how to transfer the file through Bluetooth. So before I start this video, please don't forget to like, actively share, and subscribe to the channel. So friends, you have to go to the setting it here. After go to the setting it here, then you will get options here. You have to come to the Bluetooth here. Then after Bluetooth you will see it here button, so you have to press this one. After pressing this one, before you need to transfer the file, so you need to have two phones here. So I bring it here, two phones here. So you have to at the same time you also have to go to the setting it here. Then can you see it here? You have to press this one. You can see it here, Bluetooth, so you have to on this one. So it's already on now. So what you need to do is you have to go to the gallery here to transfer the file. So you have to press a little bit longer here. Can you see here? Can you see it here? Send. You have to press this one. After pressing, you have to choose the Bluetooth here. It's here already. So you have to wait for this for this model. You have to wait. It's not yet come now. Look, you have to wait it. So friends, can you see it here? It's already come now. So you have to press this one. Then you will get here, you will get the notifications here. Can you see it here? Yeah. Accept. So just need to accept it. So just need to accept it, that one. After accepting, you will get the receipt here. So friends, in this way you can transfer it. So friends, if you like this video, please do not forget to like the video, share the video, and subscribe to the channel. And thanks for watching.